Imagine that in just a few seconds, the invisible force holding everything to Earth suddenly disappears. Zero. Gravity is gone. Every object on Earth loses the force that has held it down.
Gravity is simply ceasing to exist. City infrastructure now floats into the sky. We are witnessing the silent, slow ascent of our world.
Within seconds, the crisis becomes worldwide. Every continent experiences the same impossible event. Trees are torn from the ground, trains leave their tracks, aircraft lose stability. The oceans begin to leave the Earth, not crashing down, but rising upward. Entire coastlines are exposed as the seas detach from the planet. Without gravity, the very air we breathe begins to drift away. Cities unravel as the atmosphere breaks its bonds, a haunting relic drifting into the void. 60 seconds without gravity, and the Earth unspools. Oceans become vast, floating arcs. This is our planet's final, weightless goodbye. When gravity failed, the very bones of our world pulled apart. Continents became islands, drifting in a silent, glowing void. Without gravity, the world simply drifted apart, leaving behind a cloud of organized debris. This was once our home. Now, it is just dust in the wind. This is all that remains of our world. Billions of years of history, now drifting as silent dust, lost forever in the infinite dark. In this vast expanse, there is no trace of what once was. The universe continues, entirely indifferent to our absence. In this vast expanse, no trace of yesterday's chaos remains. In this remote corner of the cosmos, gravity maintains its perfect, silent order. Here, celestial mechanics proceed undisturbed. We return to the place where it all happened. But there is nothing to see, no evidence. If nothing remains, did it ever happen? We move beyond galaxies, beyond stars, beyond distance itself, until even the universe becomes difficult to define. There is no center. Even structure begins to disappear. Light no longer forms patterns we can recognize. Movement becomes uncertain, as if space itself is no longer physical. There is no direction left, no distance, only awareness remains. And even observation begins to end.
There is nothing left to see. Not even darkness remains as a concept. Only absence without form or boundary. Even the idea of nothing is no longer needed.
There is no observer now. Is no longer being experienced.